This Cenepar set conveniently bundles multiple burner elements, drip pans, and terminal blocks, so you can refresh an entire compatible General Electric, Hotpoint, or Kenmore electric range at once. The porcelain drip pans feel sturdy, fit snugly, and do a reliable job catching spills while also reflecting heat back toward the cookware for more efficient cooking. Both the 6-inch and 8-inch plug-in burner elements heat quickly and evenly, thanks to the stainless steel construction and upgraded internal heating wire. The included terminal block kits provide a solid electrical connection to the surface elements, which helps restore burners that no longer heat or start reliably. All of the components are built from durable, heat-resistant materials that stand up well to daily cooking and frequent high temperatures. Installation is straightforward for most do-it-yourself users, and the smooth porcelain surfaces and simple burner design make ongoing cleaning and maintenance easy.